To install the Remus Powerizer, lift the hood, lock the vehicle and wait for 5 minutes for any residual power to disappear. Then, locate the inlet manifold pressure sensor, boost pressure sensor and camshaft sensor in order to connect the Powerizer wiring loom. It is particularly important that the plugs should only be removed and installed whilst the ignition is switched off. To gain access to the boost pressure sensor, the lower tray must be removed from underneath the engine. Then, remove the original boost pressure connector from the sensor and install the Powerizer boost pressure connector between the original connector and sensor. Remove the inlet manifold pressure sensor connector and install the Powerizer inlet manifold connector between the original sensor and connector. Proceed to carry out the same operation for the camshaft sensor. Make sure to check and ensure that the polarity of each plug is correct. Now remove the battery cover to access the 12-volt battery. The next step is to connect the red cable to the plus pole and the black cable to the minus pole of the battery. Finally, check all the connections once more and plug the Powerizer module into the main connector of the wiring loom. The power increase is pre-programmed specifically to the vehicle. Fine-tuning of the Powerizer map is possible, but not always necessary.